Hello? Is this thing on? Alright. We're looking for some eggs to hunt. I don't think there's any eggs in here. But I heard in that tree over there, it recently had its leaves fall down. And you know what I'm doing. I'm going right towards it. I'm going right towards it. You see that thing? You see that thing right there? You see that thing right there? That's the egg. And we're gonna capture the egg. Here. Oh, it's like, oh, we need to get out of here. We need to hide in the bush. Okay. We're hiding in this bush behind here. Let's see. Oh shoot, it's the Fruit Loop bird. You see that? That's Toucan Sam right there. What I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna catch that bird. I'm gonna keep it as a pet. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And you see, in my bird book, you see, I learned how to capture that bird over there. I know exactly what I'm gonna do. You see, this is fish, fake fish actually. And what I'm gonna do is that bird over there, I'm gonna do the bird call. And that bird over there, that bird right there. What she gonna do is she gonna leave her kid and she gonna waddle her way over here and try to eat this fish. And then with my bag over here, I'm gonna snatch the bird up in my bag and run inside. And then I'll probably use the egg as like an egg yolk or something. And that's gonna happen is I'm gonna have a pet birdie. Yeah. Now I'm gonna study it with this fake fish and let's see if it can be fooled. Oh, let's do this. And then what I'm gonna do is that bird, I hope that bird's made of shrimp, because I'm gonna make shrimp omelets. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Oh yeah, this fake fish is totally worth it. Let me get my bag. Let me set this bad boy up. Alright, I'm back here. Let me do my bird scream. Oh, I got hot. Alright. That's looking pretty good. And I'm gonna take you home. Alright, time to cook some dinner. Alright, time to do some unboxing. Oh boy, I can't wait. Oh yeah, that's me, a birdie. Alright, birdie. Alright, we're gonna cook you into some nice rice chicken. So, let me get the utensils. I got me some scissors. Let's start unboxing. Oh yeah, that stuffing inside you, that's some nice roast chicken from me to we both. Time to get you into bird heaven. I can't kill this poor, innocent creature. It's got a life to live. Maybe I'll just keep you as a pet. I know exactly what I'm gonna call you, Mr. Skittles. Alright, I'm gonna put you in a I'm gonna put you in Jobo Josh's room because, Carol didn't give me a nice enough room, so, and here we go. Alright, this is Jumbo's room. This is where you're going to sleep for the night. Alright, Birdie. This is Shrek's room. This is where you're going to sleep tonight. Alright. You're going to lay down next to this cheesecake box. So, I'll come get you when it's grub time, alright? Oh, my cheesecake package is here! Oh, I'm so excited! Alright, cheesecake, I see you in the bed. We gotta make it dark. Oh, that's dark enough. Oh, cheesecake, you and me are gonna have a fun time watching my own movie. Oh, I can't wait to tear this apart. I can't see your beautiful face. I need to turn on the light. Oh, I need to see your beautiful face. Come on, cheesecake! Ah! Where's my other cheesecake? I wonder how many cheesecakes are there. Oh. 2 cheesecakes. Well, it doesn't matter. I'm still having a great time watching Shrek with my cheesecake's counterparts.
Not funny. Say more words. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, this python thing is such a good mechanic. Hold on. What is that noise? Man, you better calm down in there with that cheesecake. I'm about to lose. Wait, I did hear a door open and close, but I'm not sure if I should investigate because curiosity killed the cat. I'm just doing this until I win the match. Superstar. No, you ain't no superstar, Patrick. Alright, now I got focus. Man, cheesecake ain't that good! Cheesecake ain't that good! These pies must taste good because he keeps screaming. He keeps getting knocked off the mat. Yeah! 2 for 1, 2 for 1. He only got 3 more hearts left. I'm pretty sure I can win this thing. I got 4 hearts. He hasn't gotten me once. Oh yeah, let's do this. We got focus. You know what, Patrick? You can wait. I'm gonna go give this guy a piece of my mind. I can't believe this. What's with all the commotion? You ruined my game. Alright, you better tell me right now what's going on. Who is this? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm just sitting here eating my cheesecake like crazy until suddenly this bird, Toucan Sam over here, is trying to give me a piece of his mind. And I'm like, I ate your cereal for breakfast. Why are you mad? I don't know what to do. Bam, a bird just spawned out of nowhere. It's Toucan Sam. He's asking me. He's getting mad even though I ate his cereal this morning. I'm just trying to eat my... See, there he goes again. And you gotta tell me, Donkey, what's going on, Donkey. Because I have no idea why this bird even spawned in the place, Donkey. Alright, I'm gonna just go pet it. But you know I don't allow birds in the crib. So I'm gonna just be nice, and... we need to get rid of this bird. We need to take it down. We need to take it down. Leave me alone. I'm gonna do this. Alright, it's time to... I hope my birdie bird likes some cat food, because that's what he's going to get. Because all that other stuff is bad for Mr. Birdie. Alright, now where's Mr. Birdie Bowl? Mr. Skittles. Alright. I think that's pretty good. I think that's pretty great. Yeah, that looks like some bird food to me. Alright, let me bring it to Mr. Skittles. No. What's going on here? Thank you, Donkey. Oh, you came, Donkey. Skittle, bad Skittle. Get off of him, bad Skittle. Bad Skittle, bad Skittle. Oh, thank the Lord, and as for you, all you did was hit me. Hit you. I was trying to save you, Donkey. You can't blame this all on me. Blame it on the bird, or whoever set the bird free. Bad Skittles. You're going into timeout. Bad Skittles. Now what happened? Hey guys, I think I might know what happened. So, I gotta say, this bird is from Africa. You hear me? And at Africa, they tried to defly the bird. That's why he's got those little mechanical windy things. And then they try to eat him. But he used that little mechanical thing to fly across the 7 seas all the way to here. And he knew I'd capture him and feed him and make him good, and he knew I wouldn't kill him. And you can't put it on the bird because the bird is just trying to escape. Good bird. And it's not your fault. You don't know it's no betters. So that's the story. Yeah, that's the story. What'd you just say? What? That bird. That bird! What'd he do? He's trying to get us next. He's trying to revenge, remember? You better get up on that. I'm get up and crazy there. All right, you win, Nugget. I'm taking him somewhere else. I'm gonna go play on my game. I'm gonna go eat my cheesecake. I know exactly where I'm going. Bathroom's perfect option. Perfect option up in here. Oh yeah, this is perfect. This is perfect for you, little birdie. Let me give you a little tour. So, right here is your food. And if you ever get bored, you can watch this thing. It's been going for 3 days. It's one of those grow, turn into a car thingies. And then you can do that to brush your teeth, brush your beak, so you don't get cavity. And then this is to wash yourself over there. And that's over here, the sink, that's your water. All right, birdie, I'm gonna leave you in here, and have a nice night, birdie. Oh, it's such an exhausting day. Turn on my movie, cheesecake. We're going to have some fun watching this movie. And I'm going to eat you. I'm going to eat you up like, ah. That don't sound too good. I need to go quick. Somebody's already occupied in here. I really need to go really bad. Whoever's in there, please hurry up. I need to do it. Please, I need to go to the bathroom. Come on. Finish up in there, whatever you're doing. Whoa, you all good? not gonna make it! Alright, that looked good. Now I'm ready to play my video game. Nickelodeon All-Star Brawl! Nickelodeon All-Star Brawl! Nickelodeon All-Star Brawl? Oh, I might be weak now. But this is war! And you never come back! Oh, that was good. I think I lost 20 pounds. We're trying to gain that all back by eating some more McDonald's. Oh, hail the kiddo. I had a long day. Can't wait to go to sleep. Oh, now this is a deluxe. Yeah, this is one I'm going to do to gain back that 20 pounds. Oh, yeah. But first, I need to restock on cheesecake. Bye-bye. I'm back. Buddy, what are you doing? Buddy, get back here! Yes, get back here! I need to go to Stinger Flynn. Stinger Flynn! What? I'm just about to start a fight. It's the bird! Oh my goodness, what that bird do now? So, after I went to the bathroom and I realized I lost 20 pounds. In order to gain that weight, I ate I set up all this food. And I was getting ready to eat it. But then I realized I needed some stock cheesecake. So I went into the kitchen and then I realized we don't have no more cheesecake. I ordered the entire batch. And then I come back to see the bird just eating away at my food. Let's be for real serious, though. I know what we're going to do. I know exactly what we're going to do. You see? And tomorrow morning, we're going to take that bird. We're going to kill it. We're going to eat it. No. I was thinking about throwing it out in the wild, but that's a better option. You can actually have something to eat, Fo. You can actually gain your 20 pounds back. Great idea, Donkey. All right. First thing in the morning. I'll play you later. Time to get my revenge. Oh yeah, that bird is going down. Oh yeah. Can't wait to sleep. It's time. Man, I broke a pencil. It's time. Oh yeah, Fo. There's the bird. Let's take it outside. Oh yeah. Come on. Come on. Oh yeah. Alright, the deed is done. Unwrap it. Oh yeah, this is perfect. We're gonna turn it into chicken. Yeah. Alright. We're gonna leave this be until the morning. Alright. Wait, what's on? Breaking news! Okay. Toucan Stan himself has escaped from the bird enclosure and is thought to worth $10,000. If you see him alive, come to the animal shelter and you'll receive your prize.